Hi guys, Vitaly again with AFT and A2C. Recently we talked about the top 3 main complaints we've heard from carriers over the years. As a reminder, they were low rates, too much paperwork, and too much overall hassle to book a single load. So in today's video, I want to go deeper into this. There are many reasons why a carrier might get a low rate. However, what it all boils down to is convenience. Most carriers who dispatch themselves are seeking loads from out of their truck cab or sitting at a truck stop. They don't have the tools or market data to properly price loads and negotiate rates. The bottom line is that brokers are salespeople and you need to fight fire with fire. Well, our dispatchers are the fire you've been looking for. The freight markets are fluid and ever-changing. Until a carrier understands freight market dynamics, seasonality, commodities, supply, demand, and locale, they'll always be shooting themselves in the foot. As far as paperwork, yes, the trucking industry is heavily reliant on paper, whether it's actual paper made of trees or PDF documents. Long packets, insurance certificates, quick pay forms, NOAs, SOAs, multi-page BOLs, and invoices are all documents truckers have to deal with on a daily basis on every single booked load. Our admin and accounting departments handle all of these documents so you don't have to. All day and for many years, our dispatchers look for loads, learn the markets, watch for changes, and hone their negotiation skills. Our customers don't have to deal with paperwork from start to finish and always get the best rates available at the time. They're less stressed out and more profitable. Now, if you want to be less stressed out and more profitable too, check out our website at aftdispatch.com/go or call us at 801-448-6363. Thank you guys for your time, and please subscribe to our channel and smash that like button like there's no tomorrow and help us reach more truckers out there in YouTube land.